Welcome students. Today we are going to study a new topic from Science and Technology part first. Topic number 4, Effects of Electric Current. In this topic there are main 3 subpoints. First is energy transfer in electric circuit. Second one, heating effect of electric current. And third one, magnetic effects of electric current. In this topic, first subpoint is electric energy transfer in electric circuit. You know that students, you have learned in early standards about static electricity. Static electricity, sthitij vidyut urja. We performed various experiments regarding negatively and positively charged objects. The reason behind the object becoming positively and negatively charged is the transfer of negatively charged particles from one object to another object. In 9th standard, we also studied about the electric current. In this topic, we will study about an electric current flowing through a conducting wire, an electric current flowing through a resistor, electromagnetic induction, electric motor and generator. You know that due to effects of electric current there are so many electric equipments which are used in our day-to-day life. There is TV, lamp, electric bell, electric fan, electric motor, etc. Now, energy transfer in an electric current. Energy transfer in an electric current. एका विद्युत शृंखलेमधून होणारे विद्युत ऊर्जेचे स्थानांतर. For this, we have to do one experiment. In this experiment, some material is essential, that connecting wires, electric cells, electrical resistance, voltmeter, ammeter and plug key. Connect this circuit as shown in the accompanying figure 4.2. Accompanying figure 4.2, and after taking the components with proper values, we have to measure the current I, and also we have to measure the potential difference V AB in the wire AB between the two ends of the resistance. The potential at A is higher than the potential at B, as the point A is connected to the positive electrode of the cell and the point B to the negative electrode of the cell. In this experiment, if a charge Q flows from A to B, work VAB Q has been done on Q electric charge while going from A to B. For this, we have to refer topic number 3 from standard number 9. From where does the energy come to do this work? the source of energy is the cell. The cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where work VB Q is performed. If the charge Q flows from A to B in time t, means the work is performed in time t, then during that time the energy VQ, means energy from A to B, VB Q is given to the resistor. What happens in this to this energy? This energy is received by the resistor and is converted into heat energy. The temperature of the resistor is increased. If in the circuit the resistor is replaced by a motor, in which form will the energy given by the cell get transferred into mechanical energy? P is equal to electrical power. Electrical power is calculated by the equation P is equal to energy divided by time required. Now in this experiment we have calculated that energy is equal to VQ, VABQ, and time required is T. Therefore P is equal to VABQ divided by T. But Q upon T is equal to I, electric current, and therefore this equation P is equal to VI, means VABI. The source of energy the cell gives in time t, the energy P into T to the resistor. If I is the current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat produced in the resistor in time t will be calculated by following equation. H is equal to capital P into T, but P is equal to, we have now calculated that VAB into I, that value is substituted in this equation. Therefore H is equal to V into I into T. According to Ohm's law, you know that Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I, and therefore V is equal to I into R. And we have to substitute the value of V in the equation number 2, and hence new equation will be H is equal to V square AB into T upon R, T upon R. Similarly, H is equal to I into R into T, means I square into RT. Here H is equal to I square RT is called Joule's law of heating. It's called Joule's law of heating. Unit of electrical power. Unit of electrical power. Electrical power P is equal to V into I. You know that potential difference is calculated in unit volt, and electric current I is calculated in unit ampere. Therefore P is equal to V into I, therefore that is volt into ampere. Now 1 volt means 1 joule per 1 coulomb, and 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second, and hence 1 volt into 1 ampere is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb into 1 coulomb upon 1 second. In this equation, coulomb is cancelled, and 1 joule upon 1 second means joule per second is remaining, and this joule per second is equal to watt, W watt. This is the unit. Electric power is equal to 1 watt. Unit of electric power P is watt. Now student, second point, from this topic is heating effect of electric current. विद्युत धारेचा औष्णिक परिणाम. When a resistor is connected in an electric circuit, heat is produced in it due to the current. जेव्हा एखादा विद्युत रोध विद्युत शृंखलेमध्ये बसवला जातो, सर्किटमध्ये बसवला जातो, तेव्हा तो उष्णता ऊर्जा निर्माण करतो. दिस इज नोन ॲज हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट. यालाच विद्युत धारेचा औष्णिक परिणाम असे म्हणतात. इक्विपमेंट सच ॲज वॉटर बॉयलर, इलेक्ट्रिक कुकर, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब make use of the heating effect of electric current. आपण जी दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये साधने वापरतो त्यामध्ये पाणी तापवण्याचा बंब, इलेक्ट्रिक कुकर, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब यामध्ये हीटिंग इफेक्टच असतो. इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर्स हॅविंग हायर रेजिस्टिव्हिटी आर यूज्ड हिअर. ज्या विद्युत वाहकाचा विद्युत रोध मोठा आहे असे विद्युत रोध यासाठी वापरले जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ए कॉईल मेड अप ऑफ अन ऑलॉय नायक्रोम इज यूज्ड इन द इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर कुकर ॲज ए रेजिस्टर, while a tungsten wire is used in an electric bulb. Because of the current, this wire gets heated and emits light. The temperature of nichrome or another tungsten wire is nearly about 3400 degrees Celsius. And the hot wire, due to this, also radiates heat to a certain extent. Now, here you remember that the unit of electric power which are going to calculate, 1 watt is a very small unit, and hence 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt is used as a unit to measure electric power. In practice, if 1 kilowatt power is used for 1 hour, it will means 1 kilowatt into 1 hour of electric energy is used. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 Ws, means 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. This is only for your information. Our point is that we have to study the heating effect of electric current. Now here some pictures are also given: coil of cooker, coil of heater, and use of coil in electric bulb. In electric bulb, there is screw cap, and in this bulb glass is used, means that bulb is prepared from glass. In that bulb nitrogen gas is present, vacuum nitrogen gas, and solenoid type coil is there, and in this bulb the tungsten wire is used. Several times we hear or read about the building catching fire due to short circuit. This is also a heating effect. Sometimes if we switch on an equipment in our house, the electric fuse wire melts and the electric supply shut down. Let us discuss about the cause briefly. याविषयी आपण थोडक्यात माहिती घेऊ. The home electrical connections consist of 3 wires. First is live, second is neutral, and third is earth. Live wire means प्रावस्था तार, न्यूट्रल म्हणजे उदासीन तार, आणि अर्थ भूसंपर्कित तार. The live and the neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. प्रावस्था तार आणि न्यूट्रल वायर यांचा जो विभवांतर असतो तो 220 व्होल्ट इतका असतो. अँड द अर्थ इज कनेक्टेड टू ग्राउंड. आणि भूसंपर्कित जी तार असते ती जमिनीशी निगडीत असते. ड्यू टू ए फॉल्ट इन द इक्विपमेंट or if the plastic coating of the live and the neutral wires gives away, the 2 wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through it producing heat. Students, listen carefully. Due to a fault in the equipment or if the plastic coating on the live and the neutral wires gives away, the 2 wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through it producing heat. If any inflammable material, म्हणजे जर याच्या सानिध्यामध्ये एखादं ज्वालाग्राही पदार्थ आला, such as wood, such as cloth, such as plastic, it exists around that place, it can catch fire. आणि ते त्या ठिकाणी पेटू शकतं. Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measure. प्रिकॉशन घेण्यासाठी, काळजी घेण्यासाठी फ्यूज वायर तिथं लावलेली असते. वी हॅव लर्न अबाउट फ्यूज वायर इन द प्रिव्हियस स्टँडर्ड. इयत्ता 9वी मध्ये आपण फ्यूज वायर संदर्भामध्ये आपण फ्यूज वायर, मराठीमध्ये त्याला वितळ तार असे म्हणतात, त्या संदर्भात आपण माहिती घेतलेली आहे. As soon as high current flows in a circuit, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit and many mishap is avoided. या फ्यूज वायरचा वितळ तारेचा उपयोग काय? जर ज्या वेळेला असं शॉर्ट सर्किट होतं त्यावेळेला त्या ठिकाणी ती फ्यूज वायर वितळते आणि त्यामुळे सर्किट ब्रेक होतं आणि त्यामुळे जी दुर्घटना होणार असते ती दुर्घटना टळते आणि त्यामुळे आपली घरातली विद्युत उपकरणं, घराची इमारत आणि घरातल्या वस्तू या सुरक्षित राहू शकतात. यानंतर पुढचा भाग असा आहे की मेनी टाइम्स, particularly in the summer season, huge electric power is used in the evening due to home lighting, fans, air conditioners, use of electricity in shops, etc. Student, in summer season, huge electrical power is used in the evenings. उन्हाळ्याच्या दिवसामध्ये अधिक प्रमाणात विद्युत ऊर्जेचा वापर होतो. घर प्रकाशमान करण्यासाठी, पंखे चालवण्यासाठी, घर वातानुकूलित करण्यासाठी आणि दुकानं उशीरपर्यंत उघडी राहतात, त्यामुळे दुकानांमध्ये सुद्धा ही विद्युत ऊर्जा वापरली जाते. ॲज ए रिझल्ट, एक्सेसिव्ह करंट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर सप्लाइंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. आणि त्यामुळे रोहित्रातून अधिकचा विद्युत प्रवाह हा वाहतो, विद्युत ऊर्जा वापरात येते. अँड इफ द कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इज इनसफिशियंट, आणि जर रोहित्राची क्षमता जर प्रमाणापेक्षा कमी असेल, इट्स फ्यूज वायर मेल्ट्स अँड सप्लाय गेट्स शट डाऊन. सच इव्हेंट्स ऑकर ड्यू टू overloading. Students, there are so many types of fuse wires in use. In your textbook, the pictures of fuse wires are also given. Nowadays there are MCBs are used. What is mean by MCB? Long form of MCB is miniature circuit breakers. MCB. These switches are used in homes when the current in the circuit suddenly increases. This switch opens and current stops. Different types of MCBs are nowadays used for the entire house. However, the usual fuse wires are also used. Students, we have studied the heating effect of electric current. Due to heating effects, which materials or which equipment is used in daily to day life? In that case, various types of fuse wires are also works in this field.